Hello, my name is Phil Lianos, and this is Week 5, Hrcu 607, the assignment, Contemporary Benefits Issue. The main points that are going to be addressed in this presentation are competitive benefit plans, definitions, and the background. What are the implications for employers? What are implications for stakeholders? What are my recommendations in addition to the references used for the presentation? Let's take a look at competitive benefits plans. Competitive benefit plans, they can offer a wide range of benefits, and according to current employees, contemporary, the most desired benefits are things like health care, what type of health care benefits they have for themselves or their families. And what about retirement and saving plans and 401k and CalPERS and things of that nature? In addition to paid time off, sick, vacation, management, COVID leave, you name it. And also flexible work schedules, usually hybrid in nature. And also professional career development. What type of training are they going to receive? Is there a career path designed for them? From the perspective of the employee, our text describes employee objectives as wanting to protect income in case of a medical emergency or taking care of a family member. Income replacement if for some reason they're unable to work. And adequate retirement income so where they're in the golden years or later on, they can be financially stable and to pay their bills and live a high quality life. This takes us to a competitive benefit plan package is the additional perks and benefits that an organization provides to employees apart from just the wages and salary. In addition to, benefits can vary tremendously from industry to industry and company to company depending on the desires of the employees and the capabilities and capacity of the organization. Common inclusions in the benefit packages are various insurance programs, disability insurance, accidental insurance, life insurance, retirement packages, and paid time off for illness and vacation. What are implications for employers? Offering benefits to your employees, it's important because it shows them that you are invested in not only their overall health, but the future and their well-being. A solid and competitive employee benefits package can help attract and retain talent necessary for organizational success. The business is always competing with competitors for high quality and competent and knowledgeable staff with high skill sets. Offering your employees the right fringe benefits can help staff morale soar. It fosters loyalty and increases the chances that a top-notch job applicant will say yes to your job offer. Other implications for employers, benefits that can help differentiate your business from competitors, giving you the competitive edge in like a SWOT analysis. And developing and offering a stellar benefits plan can make the difference between a quality candidate bringing their knowledge and skills to your organization or choosing a competitor where their experience and proven track record of ideas and contributions will flourish and possibly work against you in the future if they're super successful. What are implications for stakeholders? Retaining quality and competent employees keeps overall operating costs down, which stakeholders can appreciate. Time is money, and money is time, we've all heard. It takes time and money to onboard and train new employees. And the costs of turnover can hinder or even cripple a business, which creates unnecessary hardships for management and the executive team. it can cost up to 33% of an employee's annual salary for all the training, and onboarding, and tests, and you name it. This directly affects stakeholders right in the pocketbook. Higher the turnover, higher their overhead costs. Recommendation number 1 is in the competitive benefits plans to address medical concerns for employees and their family members. Due to the recent pandemic, more emphasis has been placed on physical, medical wellness, even mental health wellness. One national study found that 75% of employers have expanded their PTO and paid leave programs beyond state and federal requirements because it's so important to their employees. And down below, according to Hartford 2021, you can see medical leave, sick time, family leave, parental leave, and PTO is super, super important. The second recommendation is to offer a hybrid flexible schedule for employees. One study found that 33% of employees are in favor of a mixed hybrid model. Some want to fully work from home. I don't know how that's going to work, but anyways, it's very important to employees based upon this study. It offers that flexibility. Sometimes schools and agencies and businesses are at a crawl or unable because of pandemic and vaccination requirements and you name it. And so it's kind of things, the snow globe's still shaky, it's still settling. And so this is a big deal for employees, and they're looking for hybrid work schedules. And that could keep employees, or it could possibly attract new employees to your organization. And that concludes the presentation with the references. Thank you.